Long and short, Lali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. Can you give me 7 arms of rope? Here is your 7 arms of rope. But this is only 6 arms long. Why don't you measure your arms with this rope and take 7 times of that length? So the farmer measured his arm with the rope, and Lali gave him 7 times that much rope. Measure your arms, your mother's arm. What is the difference? How many? In how many steps will Dorji cross the road? How many cups can be placed in a line on this table? How many pots can be placed to reach the tree branch? How many shirts can be hung on this wire? How much is a centimeter? हल्का भूरा. The matchstick is 4 centimeter long. The die is 1 centimeter from every side. The lizard is 30 centimeter long. The leaf is dash centimeter long. The wax color is centimeter long. Now look at the scale that find the in a geometry box. How many centimeter does it have? The small scale that you mostly use in school is like this one. Is it easier to start measure from the zero mark? Look at the things drawn near the square and find out their length. What are the little lines on the scale used for? Look for things that are about 10 centimeter long, between 10 and 20 centimeters, less than 1 centimeter long. Drawn some of them here. Mouse, where are you? I am here. How big is my hand? Measure the length of your thumb and your little finger. Use the scale on this page, which is longer thumb or little finger. Bring a measuring tape to your class. Guess the length of different part of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can use a scale, string, measuring tape, etc. Think, how will you know the number of centimeters if you measure with a rope, shoe, string, thread, etc. Nose centimeters around the wrist, around the head, ear, hand, tip of the middle finger of wrist. Compare your measure with your friend. How has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? Who has the longest hand from middle finger to wrist? Which is longer, your ear or your nose? Is any of your nails more than 1 centimeter long? Ghibli and the grains. Aunt Ghibli has to reach the greens. She is looking for the shortest road. Can you tell her which is the shortest road? A, road B, road C, road D? Can you draw a road shorter than these? What is the length of that road? How long is the most meter? I want to make a long kurta. Take 2 meter clothes for your kurta. And how many meters of for a long skirt for me? You need 3 meters. Let us make a meter rope. You must have seen shopkeepers measuring cloth with a meter rod. Use a meter rod and a rope. Make a knot at one end of the rope. Keep the meter rod with the rope. Make 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. Now the length between the two knot is 1 meter. This is your finger, your meter rope. If you don't get a meter rod, use a measuring tape and mark 100 meters on the rope. 100 meters are equal to a meter, so you get the meter rope. Guess and check. Activity 1. Find something that look 1 meter long. Use your meter rope to find which of these this things are more or less than 1 meter. Length of table, wide of table, wide of door. Activity 2. Some class third have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can also mark 1 meter your class wall. Now make a chart of the height of your friends. To measure the centimeter, you can use your small scale. Yahoo, I am 4 centimeter more than 1 meter. Let me see if I am also tall than a meter. Centimeter or meters. Which of these will be in centimeter and which will be in meters? Wide of a computer screen, length of a pagdi worn by 6 height of a 1-year-old child, length of a banana, waist of an elephant, height of a sugarcane, depth of a well, height of your mother, distance from classroom to school gate, length of your father's arms, trip to Agra, Mary and Baichang, and going there with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Kent railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start from Agra Fort again in rickshaw. In the afternoon, They take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Map to Agra, Badarpur Fort, Agra Fort, River Yamuna, Taj Mahal, Taj Forest, Agra Kent Railway Station, Fatehpur Sikri. Now look at the distance between these places. Agra Kent Railway Station to Taj Mahal 5 kilometers. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort 2 kilometers. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri 40 kilometers. Now find from the map which is further from Agra Kent railway station. Taj Mahal of Fatehpur Sikri show the railway line. Which of these is nearest of the railway line? Babarpur Forest of Taj Forest, Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Which is closer to the river Yamuna, Taj Mahal or the railway station? Match the correct length. Draw line to match each picture with how long it can be. Length of an earthworm, kilometers. Height of the child, 5 meters. Fingernail, 10 meters. Length of a sari, 1 meters. Distance from home to school, 1 meters. The long tail competition. The animal is a picture had a competition to animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now who do you think won the first prize and who won the second prize? Just length of the longest tail. Do you have a tail?